Hey, Dr. Lindsey and Lindy here. This is a very brief video on how we put hair into scars. Don't forget to follow us on social media and subscribe to our YouTube channel. So this, we've done about 23 or 24 of these things, and Wyatt, my son, presented 16 of them at a doctor meeting a couple years ago when he was in high school. This is a high testosterone female motocross rider who came in from another country with these two scars in her head, and they're roughly right there.
Yeah, she can't style it because they kind of flop in the middle.
And so we took a tiny strip out of her because she had really fine hair, tiny being about the size of a Tootsie Roll or my finger, and we got a couple hundred grafts out of those, and we cut those hairs a little chunky, leave a little extra fat around the root bulbs, and we make the recipient slits in the scar slightly bigger, and we put them in. It looked like this, and she stuck around for a week and looked like this in a week, and then went back to her home, and hopefully we'll hear from her in a couple of months that it's working. But that's how we do it, and we've got plenty of other videos of people
putting hair into scars,
and showing what the results look like. So if we can help you, you got a scar, please give us a call. Thank you.